I love it. The Eastern Conference Final.
Jim, these teams have worked hard to get this far, and they'll work even harder to get even further.
And Don, this game belongs to the Toronto Maple Leafs and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Great save by Scores! In those situations, the goalie needs to smother it.
That's right, Jim, because most accidents happen close to home.
The goalie couldn't handle the shot,
and he left a massive rebound for the shooter. Bet you were expecting a joke there, but no joke. Not this one.
Toronto kicking itself for that early slip.
Being down and down early is not how you want to start against a team like this.
Roberts gets hold of the puck. Fires it hard. Misses. Yushkevich grabs the puck. Sundin now has it. Hard shot. Scores. Top shelf.
Puts it away upstairs with the Christmas decorations.
Toronto answers with a goal of its own.
This is what I like to see. Two teams trying to turn the ice past the blue.
McCabe scores! Top shelf!
If he keeps putting them upstairs like that, he'll be a candidate for the Golden Escalator Award.
That gives them an early lead in the first.
They scored lightning quick, and that's got to make the opposing defense very nervous.
Scores!
Let's just sit back and savor every moment of that awesome goal on the replay.
As quickly as they had the early lead, they find themselves in a tie.
It would be a big mistake to underestimate the other.
McCabe scores!
The sky's the limit on goals. Well, actually, it's the top of the net, right where he put the puck.
They're laying the smack down.
That's the way to do it. Now they need to do it more often.
Of the playoffs, scored by number 24, Brian McCabe.
Le Cavalier scoops up the loose puck. Andrichuk.
Sundin.
He dumps it in. McCabe gobbles it up. Blocked. Yushkevich gets hold of the puck. Chaloui fires it. The door is shut by Belfour. Kubina takes possession of the puck. Le Cavalier. Andrichuk corrals it. Andrichuk. Belfour closes the door. Sundin gets checked. The Maple Leafs dump the puck in. Andrichuk takes control. He gets laid out. Yushkevich rips a shot. Clymer jumps on the loose puck. Chaloui, he gets laid out.
Okay, maybe this game is a little rougher than Yahtzee.
Yushkevich fired it hard. Andrichuk gets muscled off the puck. McGillney shoots! He scores!
Don't make any sudden movements, Jim. This goalie could be spooked easily.
Toronto now leads by a big 2 goals midway through the first.
They're in a good position to win this game, but there's still more than 2.5 periods left, so they gotta keep grinding.
McCabe dumps the puck in. Roberts shoots it. He scores! The Lightning have done the expected and yanked their goalie out of the game.
And on comes goalie number 2 to try and pick up the pieces.
Sundin won the faceoff.
Gary Roberts.
The Maple Leafs dump the puck in. McGillney has it now.
And by number 13.
Backhand. Koshin denies him. Yushkevich gets in the way. Yushkevich with a slap shot. He scores!
It doesn't matter what goalie's in net. They're still lighting him up.
Toronto just keeps smacking in the goals.
That's true, Jim, and somehow I don't think they're going to get sick of the joy of scoring anytime soon.
Toronto dumps the puck in. Roberts whips it. He missed. They're making the net smaller this year. Slap shot from the left. He scores! Toronto is teaching them a lesson on the ice.
Wow, they're teachers too. Now that's a well-rounded team.
Scored by number 7.
Sundin fires! He scores!
The goalie will tell you what just flew by him was a bullet, not a butterfly.
That's Sundin.
Toronto is in a class by itself, really.
Yeah, for them it's goal after goal after goal. But fortunately,
LeCavalier scores!
take a look, kids. It's a hat trick. Guaranteed your parents won't be disappointed if you bring one of those home.
Toronto isn't used to seeing one in its net.
All that will do is simply fire these boys up, and this little goal party will continue. But hey, only time will tell.
Saint-Louis with shot.
Martin Saint-Louis.
Roberts. Cranks one. LeCavalier shows us why he's in the big leagues.
Now, how many people do you know that can do that?
McCabe gets hold of the puck. LeCavalier pushes Sundin.
That was more of a bump than a hit. The sun is set on the first period. Soon, the second period is
competing in exciting events such as hardest shot, fastest skater, and the breakaway competition.
That was one of the most one-sided first periods within recent memory, Jim.
Let's see if things turn around out there. LeCavalier took the puck. Shoots it. LeCavalier scores!
I'm not going to point any fingers at the goalie, so I won't.
That was very diplomatic of you.
Diplomacy's a gift, Jim.
Toronto can't blame anyone but itself for that one.
Yes, but they aren't exactly quaking in their boots, partly because of the huge lead, and partly because of the lack of boots.
Saint-Louis has his pocket pick. McGillney, cannonading drive. He scores! Top shelf! Toronto replies with a goal of its own.
And they're getting lots of them tonight. In fact, maybe too many. Hey, I'm kidding. It's a joke. I'm allowed to tell jokes.
LeCavalier scoops up the loose puck. Stick save by Belfour. McCabe with the puck. Sundin, he scores!
Goal after goal after goal. He's nailed the hat trick, and I'm sure he's going to go for more.
Toronto has pulled away even further in this contest.
If you ask me, they've pulled away even further in this no contest.
LeCavalier shoots the puck.
24.
Andrechuk got it. Big save.
He's making their shooters look like tiny little mini-men.
Roberts, blistering shot. LeCavalier. Andrechuk now with the puck. Belfour, great save. McCabe takes control of the puck. Saint-Louis stands him up. Roberts. The Maple Leafs dump the puck in. McGillney scoops it up. Yushkevich grabs it. Blasts one. He scores upstairs. Toronto is having one of those top-notch games.
In fact, I think they're having 2 or 3 of them rolled into one. Outstanding.
McCabe shoots hard. He scores!
He's on a real tear here and rips his way to an awesome hat trick.
The face-off goes to the Maple Leafs.
Scored by number 24.
McCabe dumps the puck in. Kubina gets a hold of it. Sanoui.
Max Sundin.
McCabe runs over Lecavalier. Sanoui grabs the puck. Andrichuk shoots. Door slammed shut by Belfour. Roberts shoots the puck from the right. Tampa gets it. Lecavalier. McGillney runs over Sanoui. McCabe scoops up the loose puck. Sundin fires it hard from the left. He scores!
4! You'd better get out of his way.
Toronto goal.
Lecavalier.
Number 13, Max Sundin.
Heavy shot from the left. Yushkevich gets in the way. Turned away. Sanoui fires it. McCabe. Roberts scores!
That's the hat trick. He's got the moves down tonight and is putting on a real show.
The face-off goes to Toronto.
Scored by number 7.
McCabe fires hard. He scores!
Despite his human appearance, he's actually a goal-scoring machine.
Lecavalier can win many draws for his team.
Put him out there if you have an important face-off, or don't. Don't blame me if you lose.
Roberts. Kubina takes possession of the puck. Andrichuk grabs it. Lecavalier. Now with it, it's one-on-one. Blocked. Sundin with the puck. Fires it! Scores!
I believe he now has a bucket of goals.
Toronto goal.
Lecavalier. Sanoui corrals the puck. Lecavalier has it now. Sanoui misses the net. Andrichuk grabs the puck. Kubina. Roberts gets the pass from Belfour. Roberts shoots the puck. He scores! What a goal! The face-off goes to Toronto.
7, Gary Roberts.
The game waits as the broken glass is replaced. Robert is playing a superb game tonight, and here's another look at goal number 3. Lecavalier. Andrichuk had the puck. Sanoui now has it.
Last minute of play.
Toronto has it. McGillney. McGillney dumps it in. Toronto takes possession.
40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime, then it could be 25 minutes to go, or 30 minutes. Anyway, you get my point.
Reach the moon.
Hi, I'm Don Taylor with Jim Houston, and welcome back to the game. Let's see what's up, down on the ice. Like that little up-down thing I just did there, huh, Jim?
LeCavalier. Andrechuk. Shoots the puck. Belfour stones him cold.
Goalie 1, shooter 0.
Toronto dumps the puck in. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. McCabe is the man to watch in this game.
Then let's watch a replay of the goal that wrapped up his hat trick.
Andrechuk. LeCavalier shoots it hard. Belfour makes the save. Sundin. Primer stops the shot. Sanoui grabbed the... He scores! Now there's some supercharged hockey for the fans out there.
Yeah, and don't forget the fans in here. I'm loving it.
Tampa Bay goal.
LeCavalier now has the puck.
Scored by
Sanoui shoots! Stoned cold by Belfour.
number 7, Ben Frank.
Sundin dumps the puck in. McGillney in control now. Sanoui. LeCavalier shoots it!
His margin of error had a margin of error on that shot.
Kubina gets hold of the puck. LeCavalier. Belfour slams the door shut. Denied by Belfour.
See what comes from reading the play, Jim? He was one step ahead of the shooter.
Roberts slap shot. Sanoui jumps on the loose puck. Sundin cranks it. He scores.
He's making the goalie look like a big old piece of Swiss cheese.
Toronto is flexing its muscles again.
You can see them flexing right through their uniforms. You're weird.
I don't think I'm going to dignify that with a response, Don. The door is shut by Belfour. McCabe. Roberts had the puck. Fires! Scores!
Sometimes you find a crack in a team's defense. He's found a fault line.
Toronto goal.
LeCavalier grabbed the puck. Sanoui gets checked.
Assisted by number 20.
Andrechuk had the puck. Belfour with a huge save.
Alexander Mogilny.
Toronto dumps the puck in. Sanoui gobbles it up. Andrechuk. LeCavalier corrals it. Toronto takes control. McGillney. Hard shot from the left. Stoned by Koken. Shoots the puck. Koshin shuts the door. Roberts, hard shot. Koshin, great save.
When it comes to the net, he's got more moves than an electric trout.
LeCavalier dumps the puck in. Roberts has it now. Big hit. Sanoui takes control of the puck. Belfour closes the door. Yushkevich. Sundin has the puck with a blistering shot. Kubina gets in the way. McCabe takes possession of the puck. McGillney. McGillney fires it hard. Sanoui. LeCavalier gets shoved. Andrechuk with a wrist shot. Sundin. The Maple Leafs dump the puck in. Clymer scoops it up. Andrechuk takes it. McCabe runs over LeCavalier.
Third period.
McGillney jumps on the loose puck. Rips a shot, turned away.
He came, he saw, he saved.
Koshin hangs on for the whistle. Sundin played that one nicely and got the hat trick. Gets away a hard shot. Scores.
Toronto goal.
Le Cavalier, St-Louis now with the puck. Le Cavalier grabbed it. Roberts gets a hold of it.
Assisted by number 13, Matt Sundin.
Le Cavalier, Andrechuk grabs it. Rink-wide pass. Le Cavalier, door slammed shut by Belfour. Yushkevich with the puck. Blocked. Yushkevich gets hold of the puck. Shoots it hard. Koshin denies him. Shoots the puck. Koshin shut the door.
They say he's a real tender's tender. I say they're right.
And now for the three-star selection. Tonight's third star for Toronto, number 7, Gary Roberts. Tonight's second star for Toronto, number 13, Matt Sundin.
From the Ice Palace in Tampa, Florida, we've enjoyed being here for this game, but it's time to say goodbye. From myself, Jim Houston, and... Don? What's wrong? Goodbyes are so sad. And my melodramatic partner, Don Taylor. Goodbye.